heading to Sharjah now for the Dubai, for the world. Oh, it's very timely. For the world. Heading to Sharjah now for the World Bicycle Day. At dito na, naglipa na ng mga roadies. Ayun si Adam mo from Cycle to Cycle Racing Team.
Winner!